In this short tutorial, I will show you how to add music recognition to the control center on your iPhone running iOS 18. With this feature, you can easily identify songs that are playing around you without needing a separate app. To get started, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to access the control center. Then tap on the plus button at the top left corner of the screen, and then tap where it says to add a control. Next, tap on the search bar at the top and type in "Recognize Music," and then select it. Now, music recognition is added to the iPhone's control center. You can make this bigger or move it anywhere you like. To save changes, tap on any empty space on the screen. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comment section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.